If your boot isn't opening on your Seat, Audi, Skoda or VW, then you can really easily access it by going in the boot, using a thin bladed screwdriver and access through the emergency hatch here. If you haven't, the trim will just pop off if you give it a really good tug, and then you will be able to see the emergency release. There is a catch just down here that you can press with your finger, and then it will release the boot. Obviously there's a fault with this, so now we're going to show you how to fix it. Now it's open, it will most likely be one of three things: the latch, the switch or the wiring. So to find out which it is, what we're going to do, if you just remove the multi-plug on the switch and then just by bridging the terminals with the latch in the closed position, as soon as you shut that circuit, the latch should open. If the latch opens like it does here, we know that it's the switch that is faulty. The micro switch inside does go faulty on these switches. If it doesn't, then it's highly likely that the latch is at fault, which is really easy to change. Just three 10mm nuts and the multi-plug. If you just squeeze the little clip on the outer bracket, this will allow the outer bracket to drop down and then the switch will come out. And if you strip it down, here's the micro switch. Look how small it is, really tiny. If you need to change the latch, all you need to do is just disconnect the multi-plug and then using a couple of spline tools, just release the two bolts that hold it in place, and then this just drops down, and then just straightforward replace the new component, really easy. The third and final problem could be the wiring that goes between the boot lid and into the wiring harness. Very uncommon on the VAG group. Just confirm the switch or the latch like I've shown you here. I'll put a link on our How to Fix It website. You can find them at howtofixit.co.uk. I'll put a link in the description and one here for you. And that is it. A really nice, easy, quick fix that anyone can do. Why don't you leave us a comment below and let us know how you got on with the job yourself? And if you have any questions, I'll do my best to help. Both of these components do commonly fail, so just check the switch first. And you can see now it works perfect. So this has been How to Fix It, and here are some more VAG videos that you can watch that may cure some of the faults and problems you may have in the future.